sucker?
Yeah, well. P.T. Barnum said there's one born every minute, right? Isn't that what he said? But that's not what we're talking about. A sucker, as a horticultural or gardening term, refers to a shoot that arises from the base of usually a shrub or a tree that we really don't want in most cases. You know, we usually remove it. For example, some of our crepe myrtle cultivars want a sucker and shoot up all these little shoots from the base, when what we want is to make more of a tree form, you know, with our tree form crepe myrtles. So we usually just cut those off. And they can also arise not from the base of a plant, but also from roots, from adventitious buds. Think about mimosa. You know how if you have a mimosa tree and then it'll start shooting up everywhere across the yard? You know, those are suckers theoretically too, because they're coming off of a root from that parent tree.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.